Today, KONIX will update a customized roll forming machine for making C-channels in buildings. This machine is equipped with a packaging system, achieving full automation from production to packaging. The main roll forming machine primarily uses the independent gearbox transmission method. It reduces machine damage and maintenance difficulty. This machine has a relatively large number of roller sets and can roll out precise angles. This machine has over 20 roller grooves for long forming. Although the punch-in comes after forming, it can support fly shearing for non-stop cutting. The cutting speed is from 40 to 50 meters per minute. It prints custom logos during forming. This rolling former is fitted with a packing system. It bundles, packs, and stacks products finished neatly for easy transport. The entire production process can be customized with protective covers to ensure safe production. Moreover, the production process requires almost no human intervention and is fully automated. If you are interested in our machine, you can send us a private message leaving your contact information, and we will solve your production problems for you.